How?
Well, the stupid dog scared the cats.
Oh, stupid dogs had a fight and they scared Moose and Squirrel. These are Moose and Squirrel. Moose and Squirrel's just got here tonight. This is Moose. He's a boy. He's big. This is Squirrel. She's a girl. Not too many orange girls in the world. That's Moose's sister. They were left on somebody's porch. And of course, now they're here. Here they are, Moose and Squirrel. Okay, 8 weeks old, December 20th. And that's it. They need to get adopted, because otherwise they have to live here in the house of Hound Hell. Hound Hell. And that ain't all of it. That's just part of it. Tiny one, itty bitty Moose and Squirrel. Alright. Boys. They are well fed. Moose and Squirrel have been very well fed. Tiny ones. Alright. And unfortunately here they have to stay in the big dog crate on account of there are just way too many big cats and dogs here to let out tiny babies. So adopt two beautiful kittens, brother and sister, Moose and Squirrel. Oh, see.